Hey streamers, welcome back to Streamer's Guide. If you've looked at your monthly streaming bill lately, you already know it is getting completely out of hand. What started out as a cheap alternative to cable has slowly become just as expensive, and by the time you pay for Netflix, Disney, and a few others, you are easily dropping over $100 every single month. Millions of us are just tired of it. But here's the good news. You do not need to keep paying those crazy prices because there is a massive wave of free streaming apps that let you legally watch thousands of hit movies and TV shows without spending a single dime. Today, we are breaking down 3 completely free apps that, when combined, can easily replace what you actually use Netflix for with no credit cards, no hidden fees, and no sketchy workarounds. We are skipping the fluff and getting straight to the point, starting with the absolute king of free streaming, Tubi. Now, let's be honest about Tubi. A few years ago, it had a reputation for being a digital bargain bin filled with weird, obscure movies you'd never heard of. But today, it is an absolute giant, pulling in viewership numbers that rival the biggest paid platforms on the planet. The best part about it is the sheer simplicity. They don't lock anything behind a paywall, they don't ask for a credit card, and you don't even need to make an account to start watching. You just open the app, pick something, and it plays instantly. In a world where paid apps keep hitting us with password restrictions and price hikes, that hassle-free experience is a breath of fresh air. But is the content actually good? Absolutely. They have built a massive warehouse of entertainment. We are talking blockbuster action movies, classic Hollywood films, hit crime dramas, sci-fi, horror, and huge collections of westerns, reality TV, and documentaries. Because their library rotates throughout the year, it stays completely fresh, so there is always something new to discover. If you love to browse, it's a total dream. Instead of generic categories, they organize things into hyper-specific niches like cult classics or true crime. Most nights, you don't want to think too hard. You just want something entertaining to unwind with after a long day, and that is exactly where Tubi shines. Yes, there are commercial breaks, but a few short ads feel a whole lot better than watching $20 leave your bank account every single month. While Tubi replaces that massive on-demand browsing experience, our second app tackles a completely different problem, and that is choice paralysis. Let's talk about Pluto TV. Think about the last time you opened Netflix. How long did you spend mindlessly scrolling through rows of titles, completely unable to make a decision, only to give up and put on a show you've already seen 100 times? It is exhausting. Pluto TV fixes this by bringing back the traditional lean-back cable TV experience that we actually miss. It combines a great on-demand library with hundreds of live channels that run 24 hours a day. They have dedicated channels for classic sitcoms, crime documentaries, reality competitions, cooking, live local news, and sports. It is literally an old school cable TV guide, but completely free. The genius here is that something is always playing, so you never have to make a decision. If you just want background noise while you are cooking dinner, working around the house, or folding laundry, you just flip to a dedicated channel and let it roll. You turn it on and you are instantly watching television. It gives you a steady stream of familiar top-tier content from major networks, making the app feel incredibly premium. Like Tubi, it is entirely ad-supported, but the commercial breaks are short and highly comparable to standard television, making it an easy trade-off for $0 a month. Our third app is one of the fastest growing free platforms out there, but a ton of people are missing out on it because they think you need to buy a specific streaming stick or smart TV to get it. I am talking about the Roku Channel. This is a standalone app that you can download right now on smartphones, tablets, web browsers, and competing devices like the Amazon Fire Stick or Android TV boxes. This platform operates as a perfect hybrid of the first 2 apps because it gives you a massive, beautifully designed on-demand section alongside a highly polished live channel guide. Because Roku has spent over a decade perfecting TV interfaces, their app is one of the cleanest and easiest to navigate in the entire free space. The recommendations feel smart, and switching between live local news and an on-demand movie is completely seamless. They have also been investing heavily in their own exclusive programming and original movies, which adds a unique flavor to the app that you cannot find anywhere else. It is clean, it is fast, and it gives you a premium experience without a premium price tag. So, can these three free apps truly replace Netflix? It depends entirely on how you actually watch television. If your favorite part of Netflix is watching a brand new, massive original series the exact second it drops at midnight, then a free app isn't going to fully replace that specific itch. But if you are like the vast majority of households, and most of your TV time is spent watching movies, classic comedies, rewatching great dramas, or putting on documentaries and reality shows, these three apps combined give you more high quality content than you will ever have time to watch. In fact, one of the smartest strategies we are seeing right now isn't canceling paid streaming forever, but rather using proactive rotation. Instead of paying for 4 or 5 services simultaneously, you pick just one paid service. You pay for Netflix for 30 days, binge the specific originals you've been dying to see, and then hit cancel. The next month you switch over to something else, and the entire time you keep your TV anchored with Tubi, Pluto, and the Roku Channel as your daily drivers. You will easily slice your annual streaming bill in half without ever running out of things to watch. Now, we would love to hear from you down in the comments section about which of these 3 free apps you find yourself opening the most, or if there's another free service you think deserves a spot on this list. If this video helped you save a few bucks, do us a huge favor by hitting the like button, subscribing to Streamer's Guide, and turning on those notifications so you never miss our hardware reviews and streaming updates. Be sure to check out the pinned comment below for links to our top recommended streaming hardware and setup guides. Thanks for watching, stay smart with your wallet, and we will see you in the next one.